Ever wondered what cryptocurrency is? Well, let's demystify it together. Cryptocurrency, in its simplest form, is a digital or virtual form of currency. But it's not just any digital currency. It's a special kind, one that uses cryptography for security. Now, this might sound complicated, but think of it as a secret code that keeps your transactions safe and secure. And unlike your traditional dollar or euro, cryptocurrencies aren't controlled by any central authority like a government or a bank. Instead, they operate on decentralized networks based on something called blockchain technology. It's like a public ledger that records all transactions transparently, making it almost impossible to cheat the system. So, in essence, cryptocurrency is more than just digital money. It's a whole new way of looking at money, and it's catching on fast. Let's continue our journey to understand more about this intriguing world in the next scenes. So, what's this blockchain that everyone's talking about? Well, let's demystify it. Imagine blockchain as a chain of blocks, not the kind you played with as a kid, but digital ones. Each block contains a list of transactions. When a block is filled with transactions, it gets linked to the block that came before it. This forms a chain of blocks, hence the name blockchain. But it's not just any chain. It's an unchangeable, unalterable chain. Once a block is added, it can't be modified or tampered with. This ensures transparency and security, making it nearly impossible for fraud or double spending to occur. Blockchain isn't controlled by any central authority. It's decentralized, meaning it's spread across a network of computers worldwide. This decentralization makes it resistant to censorship or control by any single entity. Blockchain is the backbone of cryptocurrency, providing a secure and transparent way to track transactions. Its decentralized nature and security make it a game changer in the world of finance and beyond. You've probably heard of Bitcoin, but did you know there are thousands of other cryptocurrencies? Indeed, the world of cryptocurrency extends far beyond Bitcoin. Born in 2009, Bitcoin was the brainchild of an individual or group known as Satoshi Nakamoto. This groundbreaking digital gold established the blueprint for all cryptocurrencies that followed. But Bitcoin isn't the only kid on the block. Enter Ethereum, Ripple, and Litecoin. Ethereum, launched in 2015, brought smart contracts into the mix, opening up a world of possibilities for decentralized applications. Ripple, on the other hand, focuses on speeding up international transactions, making it a favorite for global money transfers. Litecoin, often dubbed the silver to Bitcoin's gold, offers a faster block generation time, making transactions quicker. Each of these cryptocurrencies has its unique features and uses, contributing to the vibrant and diverse crypto ecosystem. There's a whole universe of cryptocurrencies out there, each with its unique features and uses. Why should you care about cryptocurrency, you may ask? Let's delve into the reasons. Cryptocurrency is not just a buzzword, it's a financial revolution. It's changing the way we think about money, making it more accessible, democratic, and efficient. Firstly, cryptocurrency offers financial inclusion. It's a game changer for the unbanked or underbanked populations who can now participate in the global economy with just an internet connection. No need for a bank account, credit history, or physical infrastructure. Secondly, cryptocurrency eliminates the need for intermediaries like banks. It's peer-to-peer, meaning you can send money directly to someone else without a third party involved. That's a lot faster and cheaper than traditional banking systems. Finally, transactions are quicker, often in real time, and can be done 24/7. No more waiting for the bank to open or for transactions to clear. Cryptocurrency is transforming the financial landscape, offering a more inclusive and efficient way of doing business. If you're getting into crypto, you'll need a place to store it. Enter the digital wallet, your personal interface to the crypto cosmos. Just like your physical wallet holds your cash and cards, a digital wallet stores your cryptocurrencies. But it's not just a storage unit, it's a tool that interacts with various blockchains to enable you to send, receive, and manage your digital assets. There are several types of wallets to choose from. You've got hardware wallets, often considered the most secure as they store your assets offline. Software wallets are apps that live on your computer or smartphone, providing easy access but potentially more vulnerability. Then there are paper wallets, literally a printout of your cryptographic keys. Choosing the right wallet is crucial in your crypto journey, so take your time and pick wisely. It's about balancing convenience with security and aligning with your personal crypto goals. Ultimately, your digital wallet is your command center in the crypto universe.